हेलो एवरीवन, व्हाट्स हॉट ऑन Amazon के एक नए एपिसोड में आपका स्वागत है, जहां हम आपको बताएंगे कुछ इन डिमांड और ट्रेंडिंग प्रोडक्ट्स के बारे में which can help you grow as a seller and potentially expand your business on Amazon। आज हम बात करने जा रहे हैं कुछ ऐसे आइटम्स के बारे में जो हमारे कस्टमर्स को एक हेल्दी और फिट लाइफस्टाइल रखने में मदद करते हैं। और जैसा कि आप सब जानते ही हैं, in the current times, having the right health and fitness has become increasingly important, which is why we have witnessed a consistent increase in demand for these products over time. So if you are an Amazon seller wishing to increase your business portfolio and looking to potentially grow your profits, make sure you watch this video till the end to know about the latest shopping trends in this category. तो शुरुआत करते हैं कुछ उन न्यूट्रिशियस आइटम्स के साथ which our customers are likely to purchase in order to improve their immunity and maintain a healthy lifestyle. ग्रोसरी प्रोडक्ट्स जैसे कि आंवला और गूसबेरीज, बाजरा और पर्ल मिलेट, न्यूट्रिशन बार्स, कार्डमम, चिलीज, सिनेमन, फ्रूट जूस, गार्लिक पाउडर, हर्बल टी, हींग, लाइम, मैंगो, mixed dried fruits और mixed pickles are all set to top the charts. इन सभी आइटम्स की डिमांड बढ़ती है not just because they are nutritious but also because they are consumed by people across all age groups. इसकी वजह से selling such grocery items can be a potential growth opportunity for you. Along with these, कुछ ऐसे specific products भी हैं which our health conscious customers prefer purchasing in order to stay fit. These include Chyawanprash and herbal formulations, combination of multivitamins and minerals, as well as herbal tea. Now that I have spoken about the consumables, it's time we also highlight some complementary products such as hand blenders, jars and containers, juicer, mixer, grinders, pressers and mashers, thermos and vacuum flasks, वाटर एंड जूस ग्लासेस एंड वाटर बॉटल्स, जिनकी डिमांड्स इंक्रीज होने के चांसेस बेटर हैं सिंस कस्टमर्स यूजुअली परचेज दीज प्रोडक्ट्स अलोंगसाइड देयर कंज्यूमेबल आइटम्स। अब बारी आती है टू लुक एट सम ट्रेंडिंग गैजेट्स व्हिच हेल्प आवर कस्टमर्स स्टे मोटिवेटेड थ्रू देयर फिटनेस एंड स्पोर्ट्स regimes. Products such as arm and wristband accessories, mobile speakers, MP3, MP4 players, speaker cables, Bluetooth headsets, wired headsets, smart watches and accessories, as well as virtual reality headsets can have a great chance of gaining popularity amongst our customers as they are convenient and handy. So, if gadgets are what you plan to sell more of, make sure your inventory is stocked to meet the potential demand. Along with these, कुछ ऐसे भी items हैं which can prove to be a crucial investment while exercising or even playing different sports at home or outdoors. We can expect to see a spike in demand for items such as ankle braces, creams, gels and sprays, crepe bandages, elbow braces, electric heating pads, facial tissue, shoe pads, messenger and sling bags. Moreover, sports and fitness accessories like all-purpose helmets, balls, batting pads, boxing pads, cord nunchucks, core and abdominal trainers, exercise balls and accessories, exercise bands, exercise mats, gloves, grips, hand strengtheners, hand wraps, heavy bags, inline skates, mat bags, popular willow, push-up stands, racket and skipping rope, speed ladders, straps and synthetic thigh guards, toning belts, waist trimmers, watch bands, water bottles and shakers, weights and even wicket keeping gloves may also see an increase in their demand amongst our shoppers. Long list, right? ये सभी प्रोडक्ट्स आपके बिजनेस को फिटनेस एंथुसियास्ट कस्टमर्स के बीच में काफी बढ़िया बूस्ट दे सकते हैं। Finally, now that we have covered all the items that are needed for exercising and playing different sports, अब बारी आती है to discuss some trendy apparels and accessories which our shoppers are likely to purchase to stay fit. These items include headbands, hoodies, long sleeve tops, gym shorts, sleeveless tops, track pants, track suits, socks, as well as waterproof jackets. Along with this, our shoppers are also likely to purchase a variety of footwear based on their exercising needs. These products include athletic and outdoor sandals, badminton shoes, basketball shoes, comfort shoes, running shoes, sneakers, tennis shoes, training shoes, trekking and hiking boots. So friends, with this we come to an end of another episode of What's Hot on Amazon, जिस पर हम आपको बताते हैं उन सब high in demand products के बारे में that you can sell online through Amazon and hopefully keep your business flourishing. We hope that you found some interesting things that you can start selling, which may help in growing your business. Let us know some other categories you would like to know more about, so we can bring some exciting information about them to you. Stay tuned and make sure that you have registered as a seller on Amazon.in to begin your exciting journey with us. We wish you a happy selling experience and we hope to see you soon.